welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. In a very unfortunate incident, Rishi Kapoor's brother Rajiv Kapoor has died at the age of 58. He made films like Ram Teri Ganga Maili and he had a massive heart attack this afternoon, and after which Ranbir Kapoor confirmed his demise. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan posted a throwback video wishing his close friend on his 33rd anniversary. Now, why this is going viral on social media is because of the caption that the superstar chose for this post, where he ridiculed his friend and gave all the credits to his wife Rihanna for making this marriage work. In fact, he also gave an advice to Rihanna, telling she can still run if she wants to because there is a lot of time. Actor Javed Jafri has finally opened up about Amitabh Bachchan's granddaughter Navya Nanda's and his son Mizan Jafar's relationship. Now, he has come open in an interview and told that Navya Nanda and Mizan are not dating each other. They are childhood friends, have grown up together, has gone to same school, and that is why it's very likely for people to link them together, telling them that they are dating, but in reality they are just good friends. Reality show The Big Day will start streaming on Netflix from Valentine's Day. Now, there will be two collection of couples who will be planning their big day, that is their wedding, and this all will be on the backdrop of Indian wedding. So, this is going to be a unique show that will be starting from Valentine's Day. So, if you are looking for any new show, probably after many shows that you have watched, The Big Day will be your favorite. Fariz Arif Ansari's The Big Day will start streaming on Netflix from Valentine's Day. Now, The Big Day comprises of two collections where there will be 6 couples in each, and these couples will be seen planning their big day, that is the wedding, and this all will be on the backdrop of Indian wedding. Actor Ranveer Shore recently confessed that he finds working for web series more satisfactory compared to films. Now, his web series Metro Park 2 is been streaming on OTT platform, and when he spoke about the same, he said ever since OTT platform came into existence, actors who always wanted to perform various characters but they could not because of the big screen commitment and the films. Now, he said that these OTT platforms has finally given them opportunity to try various characters that they always wanted to do, and many actors are in favor of OTT platforms when it comes to showcasing new talents. Recently, Naseeruddin Shah's wife Ratna Pathak came in the media and clarified that her husband Naseeruddin Shah does not use Twitter account. He does not have one Twitter account. All this came after a few tweets were posted in the name of Naseeruddin Shah from a fake account which has about 50,000 followers. Not just that, but the account handler also posted a few videos where Naseeruddin Shah is seen speaking in favor of farmers, which has made people troll him for whatever post that was coming on social media. But finally clarifying it, Ratna Pathak said that the Twitter handle does not belong to the actor, and she even said that they had complained about it to the cyber crime. Finally, Priyanka Chopra's book, The Unfinished Memoir, has finally released and is on sale. Now, in the last few days, Priyanka Chopra herself signed more than thousands of books to give it out for sale and to the people. In fact, she confessed that she personally sent copies of the books to everybody that she has mentioned in that particular book, and also the book contains many personal information about the actor, her struggles, her love life, her experiences, which you and I might be interesting in knowing and hadn't known all this while. Actress Lisa Hadden is now expecting her 3rd baby, and the way she announced this to the fans was really adorable. Taking to Instagram, she was making a video where she was telling that she has not been active on social media because of pure laziness. Later, her eldest son came in the video and he announced that Mama's tummy has a baby girl, a baby sister. Now, Lisa will be mother of 3 coming June.
Okay, Zaki, can you tell everyone what's inside of Mommy's tummy?
A baby sister.
Yeah!
In the Hollywood, people are all talking about Fast and Furious 9. The makers have released another teaser ahead of its release, and people cannot stop but just talk about it on social media, and this is going to be one of the biggest Hollywood films which was postponed from 2020 to 2021. Now these were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.